Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the interesting stories from history. Today's grave concerns Matilda Lambert Boucher. I have to apologize, I cut off the first part of the video here where I had scraped off all the algae. So what you're seeing here is the part where I'm starting to do a quick rinse of water on it there before I put any D2 on it. But let's get on with it. Matilda Lambert Boucher was born on July 8th, 1849 in Harrisburg, Ohio. She was the daughter of Shem Lambert and Mary Catherine Draper. Matilda married Franklin P. Boucher on September 19th, 1875 in Franklin County, Ohio, and together they had at least 3 children that I could find: Clarence Boucher, Florence Scioto Boucher, and Kate Boucher. Unfortunately, Matilda's life took a tragic turn. In her later years, she developed senile psychosis or dementia, which led her to being admitted to the Columbus, Ohio State Hospital. And on March 17th, 1924, Matilda passed away due to a cerebral hemorrhage, which was believed to be a contributing factor to her dementia. So that's a little bit about this stone. I just found this stone right next to one of the veterans' graves that I was cleaning. And you know, everybody deserves to have a nice looking stone, so I wanted to try to do this. This was one of the first ones that I've done that's not been a military monument. It wasn't that bad. On the backside, actually, maybe I should start recording on both sides, because the back side was actually worse than the front side here. So what I did is, I'm trying to, people have commented, I'm trying to learn to keep my brushes wet. And what I'm going to start doing is bringing not only that water canister, I'm going to bring a like a 5-gallon bucket that I can just dip my brushes in to keep them wet. I think that would be a faster way. What do you think? Instead of the trying to use that nozzle for everything, just dipping my brush in some water to keep it wet. But I went back there today looking at this stone a week later. It's brightened up a little bit, not as much as I'd like to, or I would show you a before and after, but it's cleaning up nice. Like I said, all those like little rose petals up there at the top, they all had like algae growing inside of them, moss, and you can't really see it on the video here, but there was algae up in there, and you can see it when I rinse it off here. That's what I love about doing this, is just rinsing away all the dirt and grime. And everybody should have a nice clean stone, and that's why I love doing this hobby. I feel like I'm making some kind of contribution in life. I don't know, maybe not. But this is one of the first ones I've done that, like I said, was not a military monument. I think I'm getting better. And this is like a little toothbrush here. I got this from Atlas Conservancy. Is it Atlas Preservation? Atlas Preservation is where I get all these tools at. And that brush is a Tampico, which is, they say, is the preferred brush to use. It's a American-made brush, and I own several different types of those. And this, like a toothbrush that I buy, gets into the lettering. Like I said, there was even moss in those lines there, so I'm hoping this cleans up pretty nice. Like I said, I did some veterans graves last like June, July, and now they are looking really good. They're right there beside this one. Maybe I'll go back and do a video of all the ones. I've been cleaning all the stones right in a small area, and I think it's just great to go back 6 months later and see how well they've cleaned up. I just hope they, and I retouched up some of the ones I did last year, this year, just to make sure they stay bright and shiny. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, like, comment, subscribe. It's free. Give me your thoughts on it. Be nice. I'm still learning, but my goal this year is to try to do a whole bunch of videos on cleaning headstones. You know, there's a lot of people that go around and talk about famous people and whatnot. I'm really probably not that good. Maybe I could get better down the road, but I do enjoy cleaning headstones. I do like to try to find, you know, I've been doing genealogy since I was 14, so finding information about them, if I can, has been fun. I think I enjoy that more than going and finding famous people and tell you things. And no one's probably did a video on this lady, and everybody's done videos on, you know, Marilyn Monroe. So I may, you know, if you guys like this types of videos, I may just keep doing this. So watch it, enjoy, and I promise I'm going to try to do a lot more of these, and I'm going to try to get better. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll let this play out.